Good morning, everybody. I'm a couple towns over along Lake Huron, obviously doing a pump job. Using colored concrete for exposed aggregate, probably for patio, I'd imagine. Pretty nice morning out. Sun's shining, not too hot yet. Already delivered one load this morning. This is my second. We've got a busy day scheduled. Hopefully everybody had a good 4th of July week/weekend. There's Lake Huron right over there between the houses. On a little side street that parallels the lake. A little bit smaller hopper on this pump truck, but big enough for what we're doing. We're moving along quite nicely. I think we're just doing some readjustments back there. Looks like it'd be a nice day to be on the water out there. Let me zoom in a little for you. Really hard to make out in this. I can see it better in person. When a person's standing, that's the lake in the background. Pump jobs like this can sometimes take a little while. They run a smaller diameter hose than a lot of your other pump trucks, but they can pump a lot further out. I just lay a bunch of hose out, pumps out down there, starts going and going. Go as far as they need to, and there's more lengths of hose there if they needed it. And we're off again. There's different types of pump trucks out there for different applications. Sure beats having a wheelbarrow. In case anybody's wondering, the color is coal, C-O-A-L, just like charcoal. It'll get darker when it dries, and When it gets almost set up, they'll do a little power wash to the surface so it gets exposed stone. It's a pea stone mix. And then they'll put a sealant over the top to protect it. Actually looks really nice when it's done right. Don't think I've made an actual video all week, so figured this would be a good one for you. I have time to talk while paying attention. Driver's a little slow on the horn. Sometimes he forgets altogether. But if you're paying attention, you can see when it's pumping and not, and you can hear it. That might be enough?
Yeah, just back up a little bit.
Okay, I can do that. He's saying they might have enough with what's in the hopper. Getting those little orange balls prepped and ready. He'll end up running those through all that hose to clear it out when he's done.
I'll give you 2 beeps. Let me back up a little bit.
Okay. Okay. 2 beeps means I'm done. Okay. They must have ordered a lot of extra concrete. I brought 8 yards out. I was doing time lapse on it to begin with. I'm pretty sure I still got a couple yards on me. This guy's doing a little bit different than I'm used to, but I think he's trying not to make a mess to clean up here when they're done. I think the hopper's empty. And that's all he needed. I guess that's it. I'm gonna go see where he wants me to clean out at. And you all have a great day. And thank you all for watching. Take care now.